How can I link my credit union account with Zelle to send money?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the process of linking your credit union account with Zelle, a digital payment network that allows you to easily send money to friends, family, and others you trust. This process is simple, secure, and fast, ensuring your banking needs are met with convenience.
What is Zelle?
Before we jump into the process, it's important to understand what Zelle is. Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money with people you trust, like your roommates, friends, family, babysitters, or your personal trainer. You can send money directly from your bank account to theirs, typically in minutes, when both sender and receiver are enrolled with Zelle.
Is your credit union a Zelle partner?
The first step is to find out whether your credit union is a partner with Zelle. Zelle partners with hundreds of banks and credit unions, making it easy for you to send money using just an email address or mobile number. If your credit union is a partner with Zelle, the process becomes simpler as you can use Zelle directly from your credit union's app or online banking system.
How to link your account with Zelle?
If your credit union is a Zelle partner, you would typically follow these steps. 1. Download your credit union's mobile banking app or log in to the online banking website. 2. Look for Send Money with Zelle in the Transfer or Payments menu. 3. Enroll your U.S. mobile number or email address where you want to receive money. 4. Confirm your banking information and you're ready to send or receive money. If your credit union isn't a Zelle partner, you can still use Zelle by downloading the Zelle app. 1. Download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Open the app and enroll using your email address or U.S. mobile number. 3. Link your credit union debit card to your Zelle profile. 4. Follow the prompts to complete the enrollment process.
Sending money with Zelle.
Once your account is linked with Zelle, sending money is just as easy. All you need is the email address or mobile phone number of the person you want to pay, and you can send money directly from your account to theirs. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can link your credit union account with Zelle and begin sending money conveniently and securely. We hope this video has been helpful and makes your money transfer experience smoother and simpler. Enjoy using Zelle for your money transfers.